discuss the topic known as position vector. Position vector. A vector which gives position of an object with respect to the origin is known as position vector. A vector which shows the position of an object with respect to the reference point or origin is known as position vector. For example, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is origin O. This is a point P whose coordinate are x, y. And this is the origin, coordinate is 0, 0. Now the vector OP vector is the position vector of here OP vector is the position vector of P. Here I and J are orthogonal vector. Orthogonal vector. Orthogonal vector means similarly if we take a unit meter and move along x-axis where I say we move 10 meter, it means 1 meter multiplied by 10 got the 10 meter. Same orthogonal vector I and j, I cap and j cap are the unit along x-axis and y-axis. Along x-axis, along y-axis. Now I want to find out the position vector OP vector. Its final point is x, initial point coordinate is 0 and along x-axis. Similarly, along y-axis, the position vector of OP is xi plus yj. If you want to calculate the magnitude of OP vector, to find out the magnitude, we just write over here OP for the magnitude and taking the under root. As we do in the mathematics, the find out the distance between the 2 points, same thing will be over here. Final point minus initial point whole square, final point minus initial point whole square, then OP magnitude is equal to under root x square plus y square, or simply it is the sum of the squares, under root of the sum of the square of the position you have to be given.